So, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class. As our topic going on calculation of interest on partners drawing. So, we are going to study case 4. Case 4. When fixed amount is withdrawn, in the beginning of every quarter. In the beginning of every quarter. Clear? Interest is paid for 7.5 months. Interest is paid for 7.5 months. Now again, how this period is calculated? So see how many quarters are there. See, from January 1st to March 31st, ये आपका हो गया फर्स्ट क्वार्टर. Then April 1 to June 30, clear? Second quarter. Then July 1 to September 30th, and again October 1 to December 31st. As you pay a quarterly fees, it's like that only. So what is our formula? See, formula is interest on drawings equals to total drawings into rate upon 100 into 7.5 upon 12. Now again 7.5, how we are going to calculate it? So our formula is time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. So see, our case is when fixed amount is withdrawn in the beginning of every quarter. So see, your first drawing is on January 1. So time left after first drawing is total 12 months. Clear? Then your last drawing will be on October 1. So time left after last drawing is October, November, December. Total 3 months. So 12 plus 3. 15 divided by 2, that comes to 7.5 months on average basis. Clear? In this way, the interest on drawing is calculated. Now, case 5. If fixed amount is withdrawn in the middle of every quarter. In the middle of every quarter. So, see. Interest is charged for 6 months. Now what is possible? Your first drawing will be on Feb 15. Clear? So time left after first drawing is 10.5 months. And your last drawing will be on the middle of this quarter. So that is November 15. So time left after last drawing is 1.5. Total 12 divided by 2 equal to 6 months. Clear? In this way, case 5 is solved. Now see the situation of case 6. When fixed amount is withdrawn in the or at the end of every quarter. At the end of every quarter. Okay. Interest is charged for how many months? 4.5. Now see how it is calculated. Your first drawing will be on March 31st. March 31st. So time left after first drawing is 9 months. Clear? And your last drawing will be on December 31st. So time left after last drawing is 0. So 9 divided by 2 equal to 4.5 months. Clear? This is 6th case. Now see student, in all the above 6 cases we have dealt with the situation when fixed amount is withdrawn either in the beginning, middle or at the end. Now how to deal with the situation if unequal amounts are withdrawn at different dates? In this case we will take the help of product method. See example 27 on page 2.42. This is case 8 and we are going to deal with the situation when different amounts is withdrawn at different dates. For that purpose one table is required to be made. So I am solving this over here so you can come to know about it. See page number 2.42, example is 27. So here dates are given, different dates are given and amount withdrawn is given. Clear? So we are going to make table and we will solve it with both the methods, simple method and product method, when different amounts are withdrawn or unequal amounts are withdrawn at different dates. So here you are supposed to prepare one table. Four columns are here, that is all. Date, then amount, number of months up to which money remain outside your business, and interest. So, product. Okay, first we are solving it with the simple method. Okay. Now see, on 1st May you have withdrawn 2000, then 1st August again 5000, then 30th September 2000, 31st January 6000 and 31st March 2000. Okay, total of this is 17,000. Now see, number of month up to money remain outside. So in first this is 11, then 8, then 6, then 2 and then 0. Clear? Now under simple method we have to make, in order to find out the amount of interest, we have to make 5 times of calculation. So what is the formula? Interest equals to drawing into rate into 1 by 12 or 1 by 365. Either you are calculating it for a month or for one day. So see, in case 1 amount withdrawn is 2000, rate of interest is 15% and time is 11 by 12. Clear? So the amount of interest sum will be ₹275. Now it's a very tedious process because 5 times you have to make the calculation, you have to find out the individual amount of interest. Instead of that, one simple method is there, that is called product method. Okay? Now we will also do with the help of that. I hope this is understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So our next method is product method. Now in product method, what we have to do? We have to find out the product. How product will be found? amount withdrawn is multiplied by the number of months money remain outside the business. So see, 2000 is withdrawn on 1st of May. This means money remain outside for 11 months. So product is 22,000. Then 40,000. Clear? Then 12,000. Again 12,000 and 0. Clear? Now make a total of this thing. Clear? So first make a total this will come near about 86. Yes, 86,000. Clear? Now see again how to find out the amount of interest. So drawings equals to 86,000. ROI is 15% into what will you do here? 1 by 12 only. So in this way you can do the calculation. So total amount of the interest will be 1075. In simple method you have to do the file calculation. Instead of doing the file calculation for calculating the amount of interest, we will adopt one formula that is called product method. These are the different ways to calculate. If you wish to calculate it separately, it's up to you. There is no harm. Clear? Okay. Now see next case. See next case is if the date of drawings is not given. If the date of withdrawal is not given, clear? This is case 9. If the date of withdrawals are not given, you can find out the interest on an average basis for 6 months. Clear? In case if it is a question only the amount withdrawal is given and ROI is given, no time is given, then you can take it time as a 6 by 12. And in the next case it's again very easy. If the ROI, this means rate of interest, is given without the word per annum. Per annum means every year. If this word is not added to the percentage, it's a 15% per annum, PA is not written, then time is immaterial. You can calculate the amount of interest for the full year. Clear? So I hope this thing is clear to you. From my side, the topic interest on drawing is completed. If you are having any doubt, you can feel free to contact me. Thank you.